All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's word of the day. Eccentric. 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 Someone with very different and out of the ordinary ideas. I am an eccentric. I am a bit of an eccentric because I come up with all sorts of ideas. Yes, she is not an eccentric because she is boring. She's not an eccentric. She's boring instead. He does not like eccentric people. He thinks they are annoying. Annoying. Yeah. It is only an idea that an eccentric person would have. It's an idea only an eccentric person would have. Yeah. They thought I was eccentric, but I know some people more eccentric than me. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. She thinks they are eccentric. How do you know they are eccentric? See, he used to be eccentric, but he's calmed down. He used to be eccentric, but he has calmed down since then. Yeah. I'm slowly channeling my eccentric ideas into business opportunities. Yes. By using my eccentric ideas to my advantage, I can turn them into a business. Yes. How cool is that? Yeah. No one knows how to become an eccentric. You just become one. You just are. You either are or are not. Or are not eccentric. Yeah. That is a kind of hat only an eccentric would wear. Yeah. That hat there. Yeah. Only an eccentric would wear a hat like that. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So, can you use eccentric in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.